I got it. Relax. Now you got it. Now you got it. Relax. Relax.
Now you got it.
Give me the other wrist. Let go of it. I got it. She smashed it on the floor.
No, I did.
Turn to the side. She's gonna spit. She's gonna spit. She's gonna spit.
Don't do it.
No. Lean her forward. 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 There you go. Grab her legs. Grab her legs.
Bro.
Leave her there. Watch out. She got something sharp.
No, I don't.
Stop moving. You're gonna cut yourself. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Relax. Relax.
Battery on a Leo.
Is that what you want?
I just want it like.
What was all that about?
You're stupid.
What was all that about?
You pick up all my utensils to go with everyone. You're off, bro.
You need to stop smoking.
Man, you can stop smoking everything.
You got problems.
Nobody even fucking with you, bitch.
You got problems.
Nobody even fucking with you. Fucking with you, you nasty.
Hey, she's grabbing my
Bitch, get your
Relax. Relax.
Fuck you.
Relax.
Fuck.
Relax.
Fuck you.
Relax.
Fuck.
Stop.
Fuck.
Relax.
Fuck.
Relax.
Fuck.
All right? I got it. I got it.
Fuck you, cracker.
I got it.
Fuck you.
Hey, she's trying to grab that metal rod that's in there with her feet.
No, I'm not.
Let's get her up and get her in the car.
Hold on, wait. Let me just get gloves up first.
The only way you're gonna get me in here is to smash my brains out.
Hold on, wait. Don't move yet.
The only way you're gonna get me in here, bitch.
Is your car
In your
unlocked?
car. No, you're not. Cracker.
Relax.
Cracker. Fuck
Relax.
you.
Relax. Calm down.
Fuck you.
There you go. Relax. Relax. All right, we're gonna put it. It's unlocked.
No, we're not. Why?
All right, get up.
If you get me up.
We're gonna need a forklift.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Candace. Come on, Candace. Get up. Come on.
Candace, I'm not playing these games.
Hold on, wait. Wait.
Bravo 697.
Cool. She can search her right here.
Sweet.
49.
You can pull me in there.
You good now?
No, you can pull me.
We're not gonna pull you. You're an adult and you're a female. Let's act like a lady. Alright? Let's act like a lady. Alright?
Yes.
Come on.
You doing anything nasty?
I'm gonna try to roll over my fat ass, please.
Yeah, you gonna be good?
No.
This female has to search you, alright?
Hey, Candace.
Relax.
Stop.
There you go. Jeez. Let go of my hand, man. How's it going, sir? Can we help you? Awesome. Can you just stop by that car over there? Can you just walk over there, please?
Stop moving.
Yeah, she was shoving push rods and stuff down there.
Sir, by that car. Stand by that car, that last car. I don't care, bro. I don't want him that close to us.
He's like tiny, bro. Relax, bro.
You good, bro?
Yeah.
I don't know. Quit moving.
Candace, stop moving.
Don't bite.
Candace,
No!
relax.
No!
Candace.
Ho! No!
Candace, relax.
Bitch! No!
I'm trying to fix
Bitch!
Stop.
I said no, ho!
Stop.
You get off my feet, dumb nigga! No, nigga, get off my clothes! No, bitch!
Stop biting.
No!
Go ahead. Yeah, let's
Bitch!
do it.
No! Bitch! No, ho! No! Oh my No, bitch. Take my clothes off.
I saw a rock.
No, take my clothes off.
Just grab it, just grab it, just grab it.
Right there.
I'm gonna look overhead, okay?
She's good.
Yeah, I just got to search.
Thanks, Cass. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
You're welcome.
I already checked the back seat. It's clear. Candace, get in the way.
Step in. Come on. There you go.
Candace, sit up. Sit up.
No.
Candace, you gotta sit up.
No.
There. Right. Yep.
Just the push rod that was in her pants.
Those rocks were in there?
In that. Hold on.
Can you turn the heater off, please?
Yes. Yo, can one of you guys help me with the seatbelt? Step to the left.
Can you turn the heater on?
All right, one thing at a time, Candace. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
You shouldn't be a problem. Beat up door shot.
You said you wanted the heater?